Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this approved, used and stylish Volkswagen Multivan, here in the sought after energetic trim and powered by a 2-litre 218 PS eHybrid plug-in hybrid variant and finished in pure grey colour. This model also benefits from a number of factory fitted extras, so make sure to check out the description below. In the front you enjoy the stylish IQ Light adaptive LED headlights in the front with an illuminated front grille, as well as around the side these anthracite grey alloys will complement the pure grey paintwork beautifully. In the rear, the story is no different with signature-shaped LED tail lights for your Multivan. For extra convenience, a power-operated liftgate will certainly come in handy when your hands are full of shopping, and the car also offers keyless entry and keyless start. The load area is incredibly practical, and you can see here there is 6-row seating. You can easily slide longer items, but certainly you can fit a few suitcases for a weekend away. A quick glimpse in the front is no different, with a stylish cabin with decorative door and dash inserts and more pronounced front seats offering additional lumbar support and drive seat being electric memory as well. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifts and operates the full digital cockpit up ahead. You can change the look of the dials altogether, displaying your satellite navigation or adaptive cruise control functionality. There's even a minimalist screen on offer, and for extra convenience there's even a heated steering wheel. The center infotainment touchscreen is no different, it's an absolute joy to use. There's easy to pair Bluetooth telephony on offer, as well as FM and DAB digital radio reception. Built-in sat-nav can be brought back to the center screen if you prefer it there, and there's also numerous vehicle settings allowing you to further customize this Multivan to make it your own. For added connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay with wireless Android Auto is on offer, with a fully adjustable and upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. Multicolour ambient lighting will certainly brighten things up in a cabin when travelling at night, and so much more is on offer, with helpful e-manager to preheat and precondition the vehicle. Additionally, the vehicle benefits from a host of active safety systems such as these on the screen now to watch the road ahead. Selectable drive modes are also on offer, allowing you to drive in pure electric mode or combination of both in hybrid, and a helpful park assist semi-automatic functionality is on offer, fully complemented with the vehicle with a rear view camera. The rear view camera offers wide-angle lens with also dynamic guidelines and is fully supported by front and rear audible and visual sensors. Whatever the weather, there's easy-to-use 2-zone climate with heated front seats. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Multivan Energetic that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, get in touch with our friendly sales team today.